Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Technology Minister Daryl says he has not been formally advised of proposed changes to Digicel's structure. While addressing Thursday's Standing Finance Committee of Parliament, Mr. Vaz said he may have to summon Digicel to a meeting to have a clearer understanding of what is taking place.
I can tell you that I have not been contacted or informed officially as minister. So basically, I got a telephone call during the week before the announcement came out to say that announcement would come out. I have not received anything formal, but based on what I read in the papers this morning in relation to the fact that a significant part of it, of the shares, will be transferred, then of course it is my duty to make sure to do the due diligence to make sure the fit and proper, etc.
On Wednesday, Digicel indicated that shareholders are nearing a deal to clear $1.8 billion of its debt. The deal, to be forged with bondholders who the company now owes, would also see Digicel's founder Dennis O'Brien lose his majority stake in the company. Industry Minister Aubin Hill says some agencies will be revamped to better serve small and medium-sized enterprises. Mr. Hill says a broader assessment is being done to determine overlapping outcomes.
First of all, I'm repurposing the agencies that handle MSME.
Can you explain that?
JBDC, for instance, is a very important part of the MSME business. And I'd like to see them be a lot more active, a lot more. We're worked out an arrangement with the IDB coming out of Invest Jamaica 2022, where we're going to go around the country with IDB, working primarily with MSMEs to make sure we get the message out and find out what they need and give them the support they want. I've asked for additional money.
He says he will also look to the Development Bank of Jamaica for funding to help support MSMEs. Real estate company Norbrook Realty says it plans to spend $75 million to build 3 major developments. Norbrook's founder, Kerry Robinson, says the developments will create over 250,000 square foot of luxury commercial and residential properties in Jamaica. A commercial tower in Kingston and 2 luxury beachfront communities in Ocho Rios will also be built. Norbrook acquired 2 acres of beachfront land adjoining its Bohia Villas in Miami Bay, St. Anne. A luxury oceanfront community called Bamboo Cove Resort Residences will be built with 20 high-end villas and 36 luxury condos. The company says some units have already been reserved by buyers. The company has also acquired the 109 Old Hope Road property, which currently houses Mailpack Group. Norbrook says it plans to build the commercial tower dubbed 109 OHR on the land. It will include retail shops, corporate offices, short-term rental luxury condos, and even rooftop restaurants. It will house Mailpack, Express Fitness, and Hertz. The US dollar is being sold for an average $154.05. $112.93 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average selling rate for the pound is $186.35, while the euro will sell for an average $166.83. The JSE index lost 1,383 points today, while the junior market index fell by 14 points. Among the winners, Jamaica Public Service 7%, Iron Rock Insurance, Mayberry Investments, Lasco Manufacturing, and Sterling Investments US dollar shares. Decliners were led by Stanley Motor, Cargo Handlers, Access Financial Services, Jamaica Producers Group, and Seprod. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.